Alex Hawke told The Australian that the government's considering that plan that would see solely those from India brought here to Howard Springs so that those positive cases could be managed in the one place. There may be a couple of hitches with this plan, though. I asked the Chief Minister of the Northern Territory, Michael Gunner, on Tuesday about the Northern Territory's health system's ability to cope with positive cases here at Howard Springs, remembering that when we got to just 55 positive cases, the Northern Territory government had to go to the Commonwealth and ask for a halt to those flights. Here's how Michael Gunner responded.
All of us recognise the humanitarian need in India. I want our flights to resume as soon as possible. I think it's critical that we help get returning Australians home from India. I just have to make sure, obviously, that we're not putting the Territory health system at risk with that caseload.
Another problem could be the number of people that can be accommodated here at Howard Springs. That number was supposed to ramp up to 2,000 per fortnight from the beginning of this month. Now, both the federal and the Northern Territory governments have said that number will increase over the course of the month, but at the moment they haven't been able to increase the numbers significantly because they can't find enough staff to work here. Just 160 of 400 advertised jobs had been filled. Now, the Senator for the Northern Territory, Sam McMahon, a coalition senator, she's raised serious concerns about the ability of Howard Springs to accommodate more repatriated Australians.
Yeah, I mean, that absolutely can't be ramped up to the 2,000 people at the moment because of the staffing issues. Northern Territory government is saying that they have 160 of the 400 required. Obviously, that's well short, and it would be foolish to try and ramp up the facility to 2,000 unless the required staff are there.
So even under a best-case scenario, Pete, if we were able to accommodate 2,000 people per fortnight here at Howard Springs and flights resumed from May 15, remembering the NT government doesn't want those flights to start until the beginning of June, we'd be looking at least the middle of July before those more than 9,000 Australians stranded in India would be able to get home.